The German House for Research and Innovation organized a photo exhibition titled DWIH Horizon Art Meets Science from 27th October to 1st November 2014 at the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts, New Delhi. This event aimed to capture the gist of Indo-German academic creativity expressed through photography and disseminate first-hand information on education and research in Germany. The photo exhibition was inaugurated by His Excellency Mr. Michael Steiner, Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany.
This exhibition takes the German House beyond its usual scope of work, beyond actually its horizon. It's not about science this time, it's about culture. I would like to congratulate the German House for putting this exhibition together. I think this is a very good example for Indo-German cultural cooperation.
Art and culture were among the highlights of the event. The theme of the photo exhibition was The Theatre of Real Life by Mr. Wolfgang Zerborn, the famous German artistic photographer who aimed to showcase international cooperation between India and Germany through this selection of photographs. Mr. Wolfgang Zerborn also conducted a photography workshop during the event.
I was not coming from Germany really to tell them what's the right way to use the medium photography. I think I was curious to see how they are working. And like a workshop in Ahmedabad, when we started really the workshop, the first thing was to see what all the photographers did before. And looking at it, and for me, I think the target, the important thing is then to find the key images really, where you see in these images is the most personal expression.
The program of the photo exhibition also included various scientific talks, lectures and workshops conducted by the DWIH New Delhi Consortium members consisting of German universities, educational institutes and research funding organizations. The Higher Education and Research Fair was organized on the last day, where DWIH New Delhi Consortium members set up info stands to disseminate all necessary information required by Indian students, scientists and researchers to pursue their education and careers in Germany.
What we can see here today started as an experiment. When we had our Excellence on Tour through India, this was presenting German science, research, education to 33,000 Indians, personal contacts, and there were master classes with a photographer, and Indian photographers were invited together with him to think about their country and bring this thinking is research, onto wonderful pictures.
Part of our task is to bring across research and innovation, the research and innovation landscape in Germany, but also the cultural aspects are important. So we wanted to combine the more scientific and scholarly approach together with the artistic approach.
Many young minds were given information on how to apply for funding in Germany, options for joint research and even on the German language. The high level of energy and enthusiasm was tangible as top diplomats and eminent researchers and scientists mingled with the students and visitors at the fair. Seminars were held where discussions, thoughts and ideas were shared on strengthening of ties between Germany and India. The event was concluded with a gala dinner held at the same venue. It provided everyone with a chance to let their hair down and socialize with one another.